So this is going to be a quick video on how to turn off the airbag light on a Mark IV with the Vag401 XTOOL. Just going to go ahead and start the car. You'll see the airbag light comes on as a test, goes out, and then comes back on to indicate that there's a fault. I'm going to come over to the scan tool, diagnose system, common system, scroll down all the way to airbag 15, hit enter. It'll connect to the module. It'll take a second. Hit enter. Now it's important to note that clearing the light doesn't fix anything. If you simply disconnected your steering wheel or something while the battery was still in, that will trip a light. However, if you have an actual issue or fault with your airbag system, this won't work for you. I'm going to go in here and hit read fault codes, and then I'll show you that there's one trouble code in here currently. It's from when I disconnected my cluster, so there's no communication. Hit exit to go back. Once you see what fault codes you have and fix them, go down to clear fault code. It'll ask you to confirm, hit enter. It'll say erasing fault code, successful. Now this gets a little bit weird sometimes, it's a little inconsistent. The airbag light will usually stay on for a minute and then eventually clear itself off. Sometimes you have to power cycle the car, sometimes after a minute it will just go out. I'm going to go ahead and power cycle the car to see if that works. There it goes out, and you can see it stays off. And that's all you need, guys. Pretty simple stuff. Just like it would be in VagCom, just a little bit different menu setup, different scan tool, same general idea.